Welcome to Red Dirt Magnet Fishing. I recently ordered a new 360 magnet from Kratos Magnetics, a 3,800 pound pull, the Titan 2.0. It has arrived. So let's take a look and see what we got. As this is a very strong magnet, I don't know, doesn't seem like it's a problem to cut the tape with a knife, but be careful. Wherever you get your magnet, it may not be packaged as well, and who knows what kind of danger you may encounter. Always be careful and safe. Inside this box from Kratos, we have stuffing. Get that out of the way. We have another hook, which not as nice as the hook I usually use, but it's always nice to have a hook handy because you never know when you're going to lose one. This kit came with another rope. This one's orange, very brightly colored, so we'll be able to easily distinguish which rope is which magnet based on the color of the rope. Got another pair of gloves, a little plastic scraper, which if you saw my last video, I really needed another one of these with me. I had forgotten my bucket and thus my scraper, so I've got another scraper now that I can keep in the truck. Here is a nice bag to carry everything in. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and start putting some of this stuff in the bag so it doesn't blow away, even the trash. Currently in a park, and I don't want to litter the place up, you know? Since our whole thing is cleaning up the rivers, we don't want to dirty things up. Here is our securing mechanism for the thread locker. It says lock TTLF thread locker 242. And for the important box, the packing label and thank you from Kratos Magnetics. Says thanks Michael, good luck, stay safe. And then the other side just has what all was shipped and my address and stuff. You don't need to see all that, especially since I'm showing you everything. All right, here at the top of the box we got some stuff. Let's see, welcome to Team Kratos with some QR codes and nice sticker number 2 and another card, use code for 10% of your next order. Wonder if I can use that in addition to my 12% discount code, Red Dirt. Link in the description down below. Alright, inside this box we have foam padding. Take that part out. Let's see, immediately right here on top, something stuck to the top of the magnet, we have a nice little keychain. Oh, and I thought there was one of these in there. Have a poker chip with the QR code. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Just some nice foam, might use that for a project. And here is the magnet itself. Always be careful. Don't want to lose a finger. So I was expecting this to maybe be a little bit larger, but it's heavy. It's not the 9.5, almost 10 pounds that the Kraken is, but it is the same pull force. And it looks like the threaded part is on here, but it's not locked. So let's go ahead and set that so that after a short time after giving it time for the thread locker to set, we can go out and use it right away. Now, one of the things that they've really done well with Kratos here is the housing. You can't see the magnet here because it's got this protective cover on it. It does not interfere with the magnetism of the magnet. It's still a very powerful magnet, even with that covering on it and the housing around the outside. Let's get our thread locker. And I thought the end was not going to be snipped off of that, but so eager to get started. Just cut that end right off. Ooh, it's leaking. Pretty thick stuff. Oops. Make sure it gets all the way around there. Secure your eye bolt. And then they say you only need to let it set for 12 hours. I like to give it a good 24. So we'll go see what we can find. And thanks for joining us. Don't forget, like, subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notifications for new videos when they come out. 12% discount code Red Dirt if you go to Kratos Magnetics. Get your own magnet kit, and we'll see you out there.